welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. We're in December. God, I'm super excited about December and I'm super excited about VlogMas. So let's just go into today's video. Today's video is going to be really simple and really easy. It's a very simple DIY. After I had my braids from, if you've seen my Johnny Drille's video, if you've not seen it, please, I'm going to leave a card link above and in the description box. Please you should check it out. I had on lemonade braids, which I absolutely love. After I took them out and I washed my hair was looking all shrinked out like this. And then I just wanted something really quick and really easy to maintain that I could actually do like every week or probably 3 times a week, depending on how it is. So this was like my go-to hairstyle, and since I got a lot of compliments from it, to show you how I usually make it. So let's get right to the video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down here. Also, do not forget to press the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you're aware that I just uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Peace.